Looking to transform your patio but not sure where to start? I'm Rob from Nebraska Furniture Mart, here with our guide to patio furniture materials. If you're looking for a style that requires virtually no maintenance, recycled plastic is the way to go. Able to stand up to the elements year-round, recycled plastic is lightweight for easy storage, easy to clean, and comes in a variety of colors and styles. For a more natural look, natural wood furniture is long-lasting and stylish, but does require more protection from the elements. Resin wicker is a durable and long-lasting material that's also very easy to clean. Just spray it down with the hose and you're all set. Aluminum is a popular material because it's lightweight, durable, and stands up to the weather. Just make sure to touch up any chipped paint to prevent rust or oxidation. Wrought iron is one of the most durable materials you can choose, but it's also very heavy, so you want to pick a location and leave it there. Stop in and visit us in Omaha, Kansas City, or the Colony, Texas, and one of our product specialists help you set up the perfect patio. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, and for more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.